Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are serious about your rice, you know that not all cookers are created equal. Today we are looking at the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker Model CRP-LHTR1009FW. This is a massive machine designed for those who want professional results in their own kitchen, and after testing it, I have a lot to unpack. Let us start with the most impressive feature, which is the dual pressure technology. Most cookers just give you one setting, but this unit lets you choose between high pressure or non-pressure cooking. This is a game changer for texture. If you want that perfectly sticky, glutinous rice for sushi or bowls, the high pressure mode works wonders. If you are in the mood for something lighter and fluffier, the non-pressure mode handles it with ease. It really gives you control over the final product that you just do not get with budget machines. The induction heating technology is another standout. Instead of heating from the bottom only, the heat surrounds the entire inner pot. This makes the cooking process not only faster but significantly more efficient. You are getting even distribution, which means you will not find those annoying hard or undercooked spots at the bottom of the pot. The build quality feels premium. It uses a 304 food-grade stainless steel inner pot, which is something I always look for because it is durable and easy to clean. It is finished with a high-quality non-stick black coating, so you do not have to worry about your food getting stuck or crusting over the bottom. With a 10-cup uncooked capacity, which turns into 20 cups of cooked rice, this is more than enough to handle large family gatherings or meal prep for the entire week. The menu versatility is staggering. It comes with 16 different modes, including options for GABA brown rice, veggie rice, and even baby food. It also includes a built-in voice guide, which is a nice touch for those who want step-by-step feedback as they use the machine. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the performance is top tier. The rice quality is consistently perfect and the build feels like it is made to last for years. The sheer number of modes makes it a legitimate multi-cooker for more than just grains. However, the downside is the footprint. This is a large appliance. If you have a small kitchen with limited counter space, you will definitely need to measure your area before buying. It is also an investment piece, so it sits at a higher price point than your standard rice cooker. Overall, if you are a rice enthusiast or someone who cooks grains daily, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure is one of the best upgrades you can make. It takes the guesswork out of the kitchen and delivers reliable, restaurant-quality results every single time. It is a workhorse that justifies the space it takes up. If you are looking to take your cooking to the next level, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.